In a cozy bedroom, little Luka and his dog Rex begin their meditation. Luka takes a deep breath, and suddenly the room transforms into a vast, golden desert. Rex becomes a friendly camel and they set off across the dunes. The magical transformation fills Luka with wonder and excitement. In the distance, ancient ruins appear, covered in glowing symbols. Luka remembers to breathe deeply, just like he practiced. As he focuses, the symbols reveal a hidden path. The sand swirls around them, tickling their noses. Slowly, the desert fades away, and Luka finds himself back in his room. The magic of their adventure lingers in the air. He opens his eyes and smiles, proud of his amazing journey. What adventure will Luka and Rex imagine next?